good time with it, I know that.
I know I will.
My husband is a very scary driver,
Yeah?
okay? It's one of the most things I love about him.
Well, he has good taste in cars.
Oh, absolutely. We're Corvettes freaks.
That's awesome. Okay, let's do this thing.
That bitch is bad. This is so wonderful. Jay's gonna love this.
Okay, back straight.
Okay, let's get it. Kick it.
About 140. Pretty fast, right?
I've never been in something so, it's so comfortable while you're doing all that.
Yeah, I know he's gonna love it. Especially if you love it. It's
I'm-
always better when the wife loves it too.
I've never been in anything like this. It's so beautiful.
All right, let's switch out with him.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Back straight. Pretty different than stock, right?
Especially the time to get there.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. This is my 5th Corvette. This is the first Supercharged.
Nothing really you need to be worried about. It's already been through all of our QC testing and everything, so
Just faster is good for me.
yeah, that's what we focus on. We like to make it easy and turnkey.
I love it. I love it. It's really, really what we were looking for, both in performance and in the way it sounds. Really awesome. You guys made it so easy, you know, seamless, just nothing to worry about, just picking it up.
Why would you drive a stock one when you can drive this?